Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Google Assistant on the lock screen on your Redmi 14C. So let's say, for instance, if you'd like to use the Google Assistant on your lock screen on your device, it's pretty simple. You can enable it from the device settings. All you have to do is open the settings application on your device. Then within the settings, scroll down and select Google. So tap on it. And then from here, simply select all services and then scroll down and select search, assistant and voice. So tap on that. And then from the settings, all you have to do is select Google Assistant. And then within the Google Assistant settings, scroll down and select the lock screen. So tap on it. And then you should see a brief description. Use Google Assistant without unlocking your phone. All you have to do is scroll down and select yes, I'm in. So tap on that. And then once done, ensure that this option is enabled. Assistant responds on lock screen. So allow Assistant to respond when your phone is locked. So ensure that this option has been enabled. And once you enable it, you can simply test it on your device. So let's test it. So let's lock our screen and say, hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Hi, how can I help?
Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. Starting now.
And there you go. You can now successfully use your Google Assistant on your lock screen. So that's basically it on how to enable the Google Assistant on lock screen on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.